welcome back to Fancy Focaccia. So our focaccia, as you can see, has doubled in size. So what we want to do at this point is we are going to punch this down and get it ready for our pan. So I'm going to get this whole focaccia, we'll do a 9x13 pan. What we're going to do is we're going to divide this in half and do something special with one half of it, and the other half we're going to put in a 9x9 pan. In our pan, we're going to start the olive oil bathing process because this bread is bathed in olive oil. We are going to just take our hands and get this pan well lubricated. There we go. So we're going to take our bench scraper and we are going to divide this dough in half. There we go. One half there, one half there. And you can see it is beautiful. The olive oil in there gives it this elasticity. We're going to shape it into the shape of our pan. So we're going to take our dough, we're going to cover it again and put it in a warm spot. And in about 20 minutes or half an hour, it's going to go in the oven. While this rests for the last 20 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. After about 20 minutes, our focaccia has rested a bit. Now it's time for a little bit of fun. We're going to grab our olive oil. We are going to give it a good glug on top. Glug, 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 glug. Fantastic. Then, next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our hands, and this is where we're going to dimple it. So we're basically going to use our fingers and just work our way through the focaccia, poking holes, getting it all spread out. So these holes are going to leave space for us to take our tomatoes. What we're going to do is we're going to take some fresh rosemary. Fresh rosemary. So we're gonna, you can use dried, in this case I don't mind. Start from the top and tear the rosemary off. And we're just gonna give it a bit of a rough chop. And we're gonna sprinkle that over top.
Nice.
Beautiful. Then we're gonna take our Malden salts with these giant salt crystals and right over top. Don't have tomatoes, use olives. Don't have olives, use something else. Don't want to use anything, keep it a plain focaccia. Oven's been preheated to 400 degrees. It is going to go into the oven and we're going to check it at about 12 to 15 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. So, what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for just a minute. Perfect. All that needs?
Olive oil for me.
A little bit more olive oil.
Glass of red wine, I'm done.
Oh yeah.